By the time I'm done with this fly, I can take it off.
Frank, are you coming in?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, nothing. It's just the nose gear is like really loose, so he made me a 3D printing piece that I glued in and it needs to dry.
Yeah, you're clear.
How much time you got on Prentice?
I got about 2 minutes left.
Okay, we'll wait. We'll wait for Gary to come out.
Go ahead.
No, you want to wait.
Come on. I'll be up for 5 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take off.
Power thing. Power.
Okay, taxi now, take off.
Alright, I'm coming out behind him.
You can cut ahead of me to turn, Nick. Nate.
Nick, and hold the plane up, or somebody hold the plane.
Alright, I'm taking off.
Okay, take it off.
I'm going to do a low pass from the right. Low pass from the right.
You got to pull the throttle back. Not you, them.
Oh.
I heard it beeping.
Alright, I'm going to do a knife edge pass.
I'm doing a fast pass behind you.
Hey, I wanted to see you do high alpha.
This one doesn't do it so low with no wind.
Alright, I'm going to do a pass from the left.
Oh, there's somebody out there. Let's see.
Low pass from the left.
You're good.
Nothing, I'm waiting for the driver.
Okay, go back to the regular pattern.
Time remaining.
Fast low pass from the right.
Taxi by you.
The hell was that?
Okay, got a bunch of.
Low pass behind him.
I want to set up my braking.
Oh, I'm going to try 30% first.
Alright, I'm going to do a touch
I
and
don't
go
think
from the
30
right.
was enough, but okay.
I'm
Touch and goes for us of mine.
actually going to do one behind you.
Alright.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
He's going to land.
I'll cut in front, don't worry.
I guess I'm already at 40.
Yeah, I'll be way ahead of him.
Alright, I'm clear. Go ahead and land.
Flaps up.
I'm going to do a slow low pass up behind you.
Time remaining. 2 minutes.
Oh, God,
Brakes work.
you're really twisted when you do
Does it?
that.
Clear.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to do a knife edge pass from the right.
No, it's not twisting.
Landing
It's
flaps.
actuating.
Yeah, actually. That's
Okay, touch and go from the right.
I'm in love with that guy's hat. Yuri, man, I got to have that hat.
good. I got put in.
Flaps up.
Hey Nick, I put a camera on the MiG and Maya is taking the ride with me.
All right.
Alright, I'm gonna
cool.
land.
Okay, I'm right there by you, so I'll let you get around.
Nothing crash with you in there. You have to protect you.
It's fine. Let me know when you're clear. Huh? Nope. Touch and go.
Time remaining.
Just Nick, tell me when you're clear. Nate, tell me when you're clear.
Alright, I'm up to the left. You're good.
Landing flaps.
He's off left, Nick.
Okay. We can't figure anybody's name, can we? Nate, Nick, Rick, dip, dip, dip.
You in the red plane.
That kid, person over there.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Alright, Rand, you gotta go. Rand,
I gotta go?
you gotta go slow.
right.
All right, so
I want to get her to puke.
Jack, you wanted to see some high alpha, right? Let me see if I can do it with this. I've never tried it. I've tried it once. Let me see what it. Oh, what the heck was that?
I don't know.
Don't turn it.
Maya, you're upside down, honey.
She whipped them. I whipped the glasses off. What the hell happened?
That's as high as it'll go. See,
Dad.
doesn't like it.
Landing!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
For my next
4,
trick.
3,
I think Rand needs a haircut.
1. Time expired.
Heads up.
Oh, he actually meant a haircut.
No. I wasn't gonna buzz him.
Turn on the rock.
Okay, let me do a pass for Gary here.
He turned on the rock.
Gary's favorite.
All right.
Oh, nice. Low, too. More points. God, you can't get any more points, though.
I need to go faster.
Huh?
That wasn't quite fast enough.
Where's the camera, Rand?
In the front.
Tiny camera.
They're itty bitty. You don't even see it.
Size
As
of
it should be.
smaller than a dime.
Yeah.
Gear down.
Okay, landing from the right.
Roger.
Landing from the right.
I'm gonna do a low passy before you.
That's all right. Go.
Flaps up.
Hey, what's up?
What the heck? Slow down.
Okay, landing from the right.
I'm at the very end of the runway, guys.
You never use rudder, right?
I don't because it'll flip.